Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to explain how to use the Files application on your iPhone properly. Let's get started. Open the Files app, and if you go to the Browse section at the bottom, you can see different locations such as iCloud Drive, On My iPhone, and other cloud services like Google Drive or Dropbox if you have them installed. For instance, I have Tailscale here. If you go to Downloads, that's the folder where most Safari files go when you download them. Now let me teach you how to create a new folder. Simply long press on any empty area on your screen, choose New Folder, and give it a name like School or Work. If I open it, it says the folder is empty. To move files to this folder, press and hold any file, select Move, then find the folder you just created. You can use Search or navigate through locations. Let's select Copy, go to my Work folder, and as you can see, the file is there. If you want to select multiple files and move them all at once, use the three-dot button, tap Select, pick the files, tap the folder icon, and tap Copy. They will appear shortly. Next, let me show you how to save files from Safari. Open a PDF file in Safari, tap the share icon, tap View More, and find Save to Files. You can change the name or keep it, then tap Save. You can also change the path or choose different folders. I'll use my Work folder and press Save. Now if you go to your Files app and find that folder, you'll see your downloaded file. Next, let me teach you how to use tags. You have tags in the Browse section, and they help make your searching much faster. You can label your files by long pressing the file, tapping Tags, and selecting a color. Then if you go to your tags, you'll see the file you just tagged for easy searching and organizing. Last but not least, you can compress files. Long press a file, tap Compress, and it creates a zip file instantly. To unzip it, simply tap on it and you'll see your compressed file. That's basically all the tips for using the Files app on your iPhone like a pro. This was a quick guide. Let me know in the comments if this helped you. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you in the next one.